I bought a drone and it's really exciting because I can now get shots like this. There is some minor install required when you get this drone. You've got to put on the landing gear, you got to put on the propellers, you got to put on the guards for the propellers. But I think overall it took me like maybe 35 minutes to put it together, so not too bad. Here's the drone itself. It's fairly large. My camera's dying. Okay. Being the baby pilot that I am, I felt like it was pretty easy to grasp. It was pretty easy to pick up. However, it is intimidating. My first flight took off. It went pretty well, but I was a little hesitant to get height. Landing was another issue in and of itself. I did have quite a few crashed landings. There are some upgradable parts to this drone that you can buy separately that can allow you to enable Wi-Fi, stuff like that, to just access additional features while using the drone. However, I basically needed something bare bones, basically get up in the air, get a couple shots, and get right back down, and that's exactly what this drone enables me to do. And if that's something that you're looking for, then I think this is a good buy for you. Budget filmmaking, that's what I'm all about. I love saving some coin, and I also love making films. Despite being bad at it, I do enjoy doing it. So it can fit a variety of action cameras. However, it doesn't fit all of them, so keep that in mind. I thought that my GoPro 7 would fit in the cage. It doesn't. But I was still able to kind of rig it so that I kind of just jammed it in there, and it held tight enough. It didn't use the bottom like locking mechanism, so that is a little worrisome, and it, upon crash landing, will kind of pop out of the cage. But as far as for taking off, the GoPro stays in there tight enough, so I mean, as of yet, it hasn't fallen out mid-flight. Lift off. That is something to consider. Make sure you're matching up the cage with the specific action camera you have, making sure those will fit. So I think on an estimate, I think it's like a 15-minute fly time. I think I was out there for about 15 minutes or so, just kind of practicing taking off, landing, crashing. Basically, to sum it up, if you're looking for a cheap drone that's gonna fly well, has brushless motors, is gonna get up, it's gonna get back down, it's gonna be fairly sturdy and be able to attach an action camera to it, then I think this guy is for you. Like I said, it's so budget friendly. It's $65. I don't think you can go wrong with that price point. And yeah, I'm excited to have a new piece of gear in my filmmaking bag, so to speak, and it will be cool to utilize in the future with future videos. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one.